Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today on Lazy Chef Cooking, we are going to make TGIF frozen jalapeno poppers. I love these things, but as you guys know, I don't want to heat up the whole oven just to cook them, and they really don't come out that good in the microwave. They come out pretty bad in the microwave. I'll still eat them out of the microwave, but yeah, this is a lot easier to cook them on this. Remember, with a Presto Pizzazz rotating pizza cooker, there is no preheat time, and the cleanup is a snap. I don't know, minute 30 seconds tops to clean up? Yeah, so enjoy the video. What do you think? Have you ever used one of these Presto Pizzazz rotating pizza cookers? Hey, when I first saw it, it's counterintuitive. How does it work? But it does, and these are great for pizza, but you're not just limited to pizza. You can make a lot of other things with it. Now, this is not a replacement for a real oven. This is more of a replacement for a toaster oven. And you know how hard it is to clean toaster ovens. Yet, oh, horrible. I think every toaster oven I've ever had, and I've had a few of them, I've thrown away because I just couldn't clean it well. All right, leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.